Here's how you can change the video frame aspect ratio using the InShot Editor app with the latest 2025 update. So let's say you added your video in and now you're about to start editing, but you want to change the aspect ratio. And basically, if you have your video in a vertical format and maybe you want it to become a more horizontal video format, that would probably fit for like a YouTube video and not a YouTube short or something for like TikTok or anything else. Now, if you have a specific frame type, like maybe for Instagram or Facebook, here is where you can go to change for any of these. Once you have your video selected, so let's say you have multiple video clips that you're working with, you want to first select that video clip there. So in my case, I only have one video. So just make sure you tap on it because you're telling that InShot that I want to now go ahead and change the aspect ratio. You'll go to where it says canvas right here. And once you're here, you can choose from either one of these. You got the TikTok one here. This is for the YouTube one here. Okay, so notice how that changed here. You got those for Instagram here, which would appear like these here. And once you've made your selection, you can press the check mark, and then that video aspect ratio will now be set to that type of format, like and so.